Homework and its effectiveness has been a highly debated topic within the classroom for quite some time. From a student's perspective, many of us dread doing homework in our spare time. However, there are benefits to homework and what it does for us academically, as well as some negatives that can impact our interest in our education. Being able to acknowledge the pros and cons of homework can help us identify the most beneficial system to help further our education, whether it involves doing more homework or less homework. To start off, I'm going to give a brief history of homework in the United States. In general, there has always been a very cynical outlook on homework because it takes away time from our leisure and our involvement in community activities. Starting in the 1940s, people began to value real life problem solving skills rather than learning through repetition and drill. This caused a decline in homework until the 1950s when the Russian satellite Sputnik was launched into orbit. Homework was administered more often in hopes that it would cultivate the minds of young Americans. In the 1960s, homework was once again reduced because many people felt it was putting overwhelming pressure on students. By the mid 1980s, homework was increased to help increase test scores due to worries that America wouldn't be able to compete in the global marketplace. As of today, we are still grinding away at homework with 16% of 9-year-olds saying that they have done more than an hour of homework each day. In addition, 37% of 13 to 17-year-olds have reported doing more than 1 hour of homework each day as well. So why do we assign homework and what purpose does it serve? All in all, the overall goal of homework is to improve the academic achievement of students. To achieve this goal, we need to give out homework to best complete this goal. Right now, homework is being given out to supplement the classroom experience, help finish unfinished classwork, give students an easy way out for their or give teachers an easy way out for their teaching, and help students apply the content learned within the classroom. When I say that homework is sometimes a scapegoat for teachers, I mean teachers can sometimes abuse the power of homework to get into a cycle of homework, test, homework, test. This isn't a very effective way to teach students, and it can get old for the students very fast. So, what are the benefits of homework? First off, it is immediate achievement in learning. By doing homework, students are increasing the amount of time spent on learning. It also provides long term academic benefits. These benefits are things like a good work ethic and resilience, which can help students academically in the long run. Homework also teaches students things like organization, self direction, work ethic, and self discipline, which can be used in many aspects of life. Lastly, homework can involve parents with their children's academics because they are seeing them complete problems firsthand. This can create an encouraging dynamic within a family to excel in their academics. While there are some benefits to homework, there are also some setbacks. When students are relentlessly pounded with homework, they start to lose interest in the material. It becomes more monotonous, and this can result in the quality of work going down. On top of that, the time homework takes up takes time away from extracurricular activities, leisure, and involvement in community activities. Some students might have situations at home that make it hard to find time to do homework, and this can increase the learning gap between academically high and low students because these students might fall behind. With time working against students, there's a pressure that weighs upon the shoulders of the student. This pressure can cause students to take the easy way out and use outside resources that can help them cheat on their work. According to a 2004 survey from the University of Michigan, 57% of students turn to outside sources to get help whenever they are doing homework. 75% of these students say they use these sources sometimes during the year. These sources include websites like SparkNotes, Chegg, or LitCharts that provide students with fast and easy answers to their homework problems. So what can we do to make homework better? Although this is a very hard problem to solve and one that can be hard to universally solve, here are some solutions that might help make homework more meaningful and impactful to students. First, homework can always be condensed while still having the same impact as a longer homework assignment. The material of this homework should be learned within the classroom or should expand upon the material of the lessons within the classroom. Homework should never be used to have students teach themselves the targeted concepts. This will only lead to cheating and little learning on the student's part. Lastly, teachers need to be wary of when they are assigning homework and how much they are assigning. Teachers that assign less homework tend to have more respect for the students when they do assign homework. This causes students to have more drive to get that homework done with maximal effort. Doing all these things will help fulfill the goal of homework, to improve overall academic achievement. Here are my references, and I hope you all learned something about the impacts of homework and how it can become more effective if used correctly. Thank you.